Hi learners, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing well? Hope you are doing best. I'm also good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to learn more about future perfect tense. Those are newcomer in this session. I want to have a quick review of the last class. In the last class, I discussed about this tense, especially how you can identify future perfect tense and how you can make positive, negative, and negative interrogative sentence to future perfect tense. So let's have a quick review of the last class. Then we will learn how we can make WS questions on future perfect tense, because making WS questions is very important for each and every tense. To have fluency, you must know how to ask questions. So, dear viewers and learners, after watching this video, this tutorial, if you think that it is beneficial for you and you can learn spoken English, you can learn English grammar for learning spoken English, for learning English language, you can subscribe this channel and click on the notification button. So let's go to the tutorial for today. In the last class, I taught you how you can make sentence on future perfect tense. So this is a structure that I discussed: subject plus shall have plus verb past participle plus object other word. Then at the end you can add by the point in time, then before plus future indefinite or present indefinite, or before point in time. Let's have a quick examples here. As you can see, I've written here 3 examples. I shall have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening. I've used this structure then by the point in time. I shall have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening. Then go for the second example, before plus future indefinite or present indefinite. Like, he will have reached home before they come. তারা আসার আগে সে বাড়ি পৌঁছে থাকবে. Or you can say, he will have reached home before they will come. তারা আসার আগে সে বাড়ি পৌঁছে থাকবে. Then go for the third example. The government will have delivered the vaccine of COVID-19 by 6 months. ছয় মাসের মধ্যে সরকার কোভিড-19 ভ্যাকসিন সরবরাহ করে থাকবে. Then how you can make negative sentence to future perfect tense? It's very easy. Subject plus shall, will, not, have plus verb PP past participle plus object. Like, I shall not finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, then you can make the negative to second sentence, like he will not have reached home before they will come, or he will not have reached home before they come. The government will not have delivered the vaccine of COVID-19 by 6 months. Then how to make interrogative sentence to future perfect tense. Let me write here, this is negative. So the structure of interrogative sentence is shall, will plus subject plus have plus verb past participle plus object. The example is here, shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি কি কাজটি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then you can make interrogative to the second sentence and third sentence. Second sentence, will he have reached home before they will come? Will he have reached home before they come? Or will the government have delivered the vaccine of COVID-19 by 6 months? So in this way, you can make negative interrogative sentence to future perfect tense. Now we will learn how we can make negative and interrogative sentence to future perfect tense. The structure is shall, will plus subject plus not plus have verb plus verb pp plus object. Like shall I not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি কি কাজটি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব না? This is negative and interrogative sentence. Now we will learn how to make WS questions on future perfect tense. To make WS questions on future perfect tense, the structure is like any WS questions you will put here, WS questions in this place, and then shall, will plus subject plus have plus verb past participle plus object. Like I am giving one example here. What shall I have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? What shall I have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে কি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then you can make questions by how. So I'm repeating these sentences. What shall I have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে কি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then how How shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে আমি এই কাজটি কিভাবে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? And go for the second, the third WS questions. Why shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি কেন বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে এই কাজটি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then when shall I have finished the work? আমি কখন এই কাজটি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then where shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? আমি কোথায় বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে এই কাজটি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে কোথায় এই কাজটি আমি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then who will have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? কে বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে এই কাজটি সম্পন্ন করে থাকবে? or কারা এই কাজটি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকবে? একই অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হবে। Then whom With whom shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে কার সঙ্গে এই কাজটি আমি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? With whom shall I have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? কার সঙ্গে বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে এই কাজটি আমি সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? Then which Then the question is which means kunti. Which work shall I have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? কোন কাজটি আমি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব? We can make these sentences also negative. How you can make negative? Just we will put not after the auxiliary verb shall or will. Like, with whom shall I not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? কার সঙ্গে আমি এই কাজটি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব না? কার সঙ্গে এই কাজটি আমি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকব না? Who will not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? কে বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে এই কাজটি সম্পন্ন করে থাকবে না? অথবা কারা এই কাজটি বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে সম্পন্ন করে থাকবে না? Then where shall I not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? When shall I not have finished the work? Why shall I not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? How shall I not have finished the work by 5 p.m. in the evening? What shall I not have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? What shall I not have finished by 5 p.m. in the evening? বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে আমি কি সম্পন্ন করব না? So in this way, we can make also negative to WS questions. So dear viewers and learners, hopefully you have understood this future perfect tense very clearly. And if you practice in this way, if you make sentence and you read loud, then you will have definitely fluency in speaking English. So this is your part to learn vocabulary. The more vocabulary you will learn, the more you will have command on spoken English and in written English. And if you want to, and also in every segment of learning English, you will do better. So, dear viewers and learners, we are almost at the end of learning tense, and in the last class I will discuss about future perfect continuous tense. So you will be there with me also, I hope. And after learning tense, we'll learn more grammar, more important grammar are waiting for us. So please keep touch with this channel, keep touch with me, and I'm very confident that you'll be able to learn English properly, and you will be able to learn standard English that will be really essential for your life. Thank you very much to watching.